What's the meaning of colonel? Colonel. Colonel.
Colonel. Colonel. Colonel is a military rank used in many countries around the world. It is typically above the rank of lieutenant colonel and below the rank of brigadier general. Colonels are often responsible for commanding regiment-sized units of soldiers and managing administrative tasks within their assigned area of responsibility. The term colonel comes from the Italian word colonnello, meaning commander of a small group of soldiers. The rank has a long history dating back to the 16th century, and is still in use today in many modern militaries.